All right, so I want to go over how you can add a voicemail to your phone number and add it inside of your account. So if you go to your menu on the left side here, and you go to settings at the bottom, you can add it in your business profile. So if you have your business profile selected, you will scroll down to the bottom here. And at the very bottom of the screen, you'll see where it says call and voicemail settings. That's the section right here in the middle of the page on the left. So here is where you can go ahead and set up a voicemail message to have your clients or anybody that's calling your phone number to hear, so that way they can go ahead and save or save a message for you to listen to later. This voicemail will actually be used because this is the default voicemail, and it'll be used for all of the phone numbers that you have, um, if no one else has one saved under your My Staff tab. So let's review some information that's in here that will be pertinent to uploading your voicemail. So this section right here, we have the incoming call timeout. This section right here, if you slide this over to 10 seconds or 20 seconds, that's how long the phone will ring on the caller side. So if you want 10 seconds, I think 10 seconds is about the average, but you can do up to 20 seconds. The no timeout will just have it just go straight to voicemail. Now, the upload is where you would go ahead and have a pre-recorded message. So you need to make sure that you record the message before you put it in here. You can't record it while you're inside the app. So you can record it on your phone, you can record it on your computer, your desktop, your laptop, and then you upload it as an MP3 file or a WAV file. That will be the only way that you can upload it in here. So once you upload that, it will save, and then you make sure you click the save call settings button, but it will save once you click the save call settings button, and then that will be your default voicemail that you can use for your phone numbers.